Mbia mano sana omwanchi umulia wita seni kia Ndizi TV chingaki ogendete kubuatia emirobili imigeta seni kiga nabo igo kwenyorera obuansu bomu Gusii chitariki ninye umutinyi 12 umwaka iga bwechiribu 2020 asine yaliganiri bene korwa semesa ya mangana Amayia elinde ngomanye nare yabereka gokorekana korwa chingongo chonsi inye chinsi chingaki toroche abarai korwa segesa kugia baborana babere bakwiranira imbia mono gocha somorai wense magega yogo chora abariki babutambe batatu ase chiwizara ime serikali ya Kenya kwanza nabego niga serikali ya Kenya kwanza gendete kwerobelia nabego ko ene kingango ikiranire onsi ali babete bakolia eira chinga kibale gukora campaign yabo nabego nigo toroche county ya Bungoma egendete kweyaligania asoko ene kibuna mbachi gukora obochori ase kirgo kyobo senator chinga kitoroche omorai wiki amagia Amani National Congress Musale Mudavadi aberega gusaba abamenyi be county yo kumusira David Wakoli elindo kwenyorera obobwe mwancho muri nyira Chinsa machiche mitandao asensemo ya Facebook nabagotonyara gwetira Ndizi TV News Digital nabiga sensemo ya YouTube nabagotonya gwetira Ndizi TV News asensemo ya website nabagotonya gwetira www.ndizitv.or.ke eretera ne Fridah Kerubo na Chinsa chibyorokerelyo nigo tokubwatanere Joshua autangwira nanda segekegeke elinde ngomanya senchira iyo wenye Ingo chaka kegima omwanchi omulie nigongo kumanyibuna serikali ya Kenya kwanza nigegendete kwerobelia asoko ene kibuna onsi aikeranire ali babete bakoli eira chinga kibale gukora campaign yabo anigo akoene kigwa magega yogosyo lyo murobiri ohasla fund asoko ene kibuna abonchiriria ngogendera bali kwegendereria nabo igo kwenyorera chibese cyo gukwana omokonyi bo murai wense Rigathi Gachagua nigo ene kiribuna babegete merobiri ya bene anene mono ase kwagacha ebirasi bya CBC anene mono asensemeria junior secondary school enda kwene kibuna ngo enyorera bale chisemi cyabo wigo nigo ene kibuna umwaka go chago chako mutinyi kabere mbachiko ene kibuna batalire chinsemo chinsi itu ya Kenya nabo igo kwategera amaganyo y'abakenya robotira senchera iyo wenye
wanaweza ona shilingi 1000 ni kidogo 2000 ni kidogo kwa hawa lakini kwa raia ya kawaida mtu ambaye ako na biashara ya mutura shilingi 1000 inampatia stock ya siku 3 na anauza na anapata faida. Within a very short time they should put up the junior secondary school with a laboratory and classrooms and offices so that in another 1 year the junior secondary school is functional. Na wale wapande yetu wa Kenya kwanza na hasa hapa mlima tutakutana Monday tuwekee nyinyi deadline kwa sababu sisi tuko na uwezo juu yenu. Kwa hivyo sisi tutaendelea kuzunguka Kenya. Ni saa hii tu kazi ni mingi. Next year ikifika mwezi ya 2 tunaingia kwa barabara. Sasa ma-PS wamekuja na mawaziri tuache hao kwa ofisi. Mimi na William Ruto tushike barabara. Tuanze kutembea kujua shida ya wananchi iko wapi.
Ngotigana nayo mwanchi umulie na gosika motoni gongo komanyibuna oyo kabiro mugavana bwe county ya Kirinyaga Peter Ndambiri nigaro kirigosira okogania ko mokonyi bo murai bwense Rigathi Gachagua asogo chikoene kibunango bwataniale abantu korwansensemeria Mount Kenya okwana nigo aene kiribuna gesa obosibole bwa chitasense itu ya Kenya nigo ebyama bire binge ase aganiri abantu go chamo nabo igo koenekea amagenderero.
Kenya ni yetu sisi wote. Hii mnasema chama ya siasa ni chama inakuja kwa wakati ule. Ukikumbuka hapo mbeleni tulikuwa na chama inaitwa KANU. Ikakunja New KANU. Kukakunja DP, kukakunja TNA, kukakunja URP, kukakunja UDM. Hizo zote ni chama lakini sisi hatuami Kenya. Kwa hivyo yule alikuwa Kenya kwanza ama amekuwa Azimio, sisi wote ni wa Kenya. Na ujui the next election labda uvumi haitakuwa kwa UDA, inaweza kuwa kwa kitu kingine ama chama kingine, lakini sisi wote kuna kitu moja na tuunganisha pamoja kuwa wa Kenya. Kwa hivyo mwito wa naibu wa rais kusema ashikanishe watu wote wa Mount Kenya irrespective of their political standing, hiyo ni jambo la maana sana. kwa sababu chama tumeweka chini. Sasa ile tunataka ni maendeleo, na maendeleo itafanyika na sisi wote kama tumeshikana. Kwa hivyo nasema naibu wa rais anaongea ile inayofaa. Sasa tukiendelea kusema mambo ya chama hii ama chama ile, hatutakuwa na maendeleo Kenya yetu. Tungependa tuache mambo ya chama, tushikane pamoja, tujenge Kenya yetu.
Omurai bwabake ase ebunge nene Opiyo Wandayi wananiga murai amuganirie omurai bense Dr. William Ruto korwa ebirengereri byaye kubwatikana n'omurobelio CBC na ali arachigoikiranigwa boigo nigo amuganirie kurigereria amagacho anene mono asensemo ya Junior Secondary School ase amuganirie gotarigereria asensemo ya CDF yoka.
You know, a government must have clear and coherent policies, and especially on matters as critical as those concerning education. You can't keep the country in abeyance perpetually on a matter as critical as a change in education curriculum. Yeah. Tell us exactly what you want to do with this CBC. Stop prevaricating. Stop meandering. Just tell us clearly. If you want these class 7 people to be in primary schools, what are you doing to address the issue of infrastructure? And where is the money coming from? You saw me fighting vehemently in Parliament last few weeks about CDF. So over and above CDF, what other plans do you have, Mr. Ruto, to improve the infrastructure and facilities in our primary schools to be able to accommodate the junior secondary school students? Oh, come on. And teachers are here. I wish at time I would have invited one of the principals to come and say something, but Madam Ida will speak on her behalf. You know,
Magegayo kumirana no moraibense bonanigo Francis Aitori asokiri bene na boigo kwerera chingwa na chiaye no moraibense konde nigo aganiria babwatani bobo mobwa Azimio la Umoja kugenderana gasi yabo ase okumurikira serikali ya Kenya kwanza asokweneki obokoreri obuya kolinde nigo ayenekiribuna nigo agendete kwegerera abakori emirimo asokweneki mnangwa kanero bale NSSF na boigo NHIF.
Anishi watu wetu opposition wasifanye kazi yao. Ni lazima waendelee kuexert pressure kwa yale maneno ambayo ni ya muhimu. Yale maneno ambayo inatakana ifanyike. Hata yeye mwenyewe anakubali the opposition must be strong and continue to do what it is supposed to do. Hiyo ndio mambo tulijadiliana. Ya mwisho kuna kitu kinaitwa precarious employment. Kazi za vibarua ambazo zinahusika na outsourcing. Watoto wenu huko nje wote wanafanya kazi za barua ambazo sio permanent jobs. Hiyo tulidiscuss, serikali haipati kodi kwa outsourced labor, serikali haipati kazi kodi yake, hata watu wa NSSF hao watu hawalipi, NHIF insurance ya hospitali hawalipi. So those were the discussions we did openly with the president, and the president was open on those issues. Na hiyo ndio nataka kuambia watu wetu. Kenya is a democracy. In a democracy, things huenda hivi ama ziende hivi. And you must accept, because we are not on transit, we are not going to Uganda, we don't get Museveni here, we don't get anybody. For the coming 5 years, huyu kijana atakuwa kwa kiti. Na kama pia alichukua, niliambia watu wetu wachunge. Kama alichukua kutoka kwa sisi, na sisi tulikuwa na Uhuru Kenyatta. Uhuru Kenyatta alikuwa na serikali. Tumesikia hivyo. Na akapita tu kwa sisi mdu ramakata na mlai.
Tingaki kaunti ya Bungoma egendete kuyarigania asobochorio boke asikirgo kyobo senator bonanigo omuraibi kiamagia Amani National Congress Musalia Mudavadi kubatira nababwatani bande besokiri bene nabo kubasaba abamenyi be kaunti yo ogosira oyo koligia ekiruge kyo gwetera ekiamagia Ford Kenya David Wakoli asokoeneki kwenyorera obobui obochorio bwoni gobora kolekane chitariki Isano na Isato omutinyo 12 omwaka yoiga.
Kama mwananchi amepiga kura na amekuambia anakupatia likizo. Nenda nyumbani, utafakari, ufikirie, uone ni kwa nini amenipeleka nyumbani, alafu jipange vizuri. Baada ya miaka 5 urudi kama umejirekebisha kwa huyo mwananchi.
Abarai kurua segesaku kiababora nabono nigo barokirwo guisanika magega yo murai wense kwimukia egetambukiro nabo igogochora abariki babutambe ase chiwizara isato okwana nigo baenekiribuna nigo omurai wense aberega kwinyora egesaku ikyo ase bagokeire egetambukiro kyo nabo igokwenekibuna mbachikobwaterana ne serikali ya Kenya Kwanza erinde koleta amagenderero.
The reason why we want to thank His Excellency the President and also His Excellency the Deputy President is these 3 appointments are historical, as the communities coming from those 3 counties is the first time in the history of Kenya since independence that the government has been able to appoint one of our own in those dockets. Never before has it happened.
I just want to say thank you to our president and his government for keeping his promises and for giving us 3 PSS, Isiolo, Marsabit and Tana River. We are witnesses that already in the first phase of formation of the government, we are fully included, and we also promise as leaders, elected leaders from that area, from those areas, that we will continue serving our government faithfully. We will always be there for our government as we also represent our people.
We want to call upon the president that the issue of water harvesting, that he has said he is already planning to build about 100 dams in arid and semi-arid lands. We want to be given priority.
Murai bense Dr. William Ruto na baigo mokonyo Rigathi Gachagua nigo bare ase county ya Embu bagendete gusanga na borokigwa kurwa ase university ya Embu. Mwanchu muliendo chukukobwatiria oroboti ryo chikoraga Chinsa 10 ninchikokoretera ase nchira yobwenye. Inyora chinsemo chiche mitandao asensemo ya Facebook na bagotonyara gwetera Ndizi TV News Digital na baiga sensemo ya YouTube na bagotonyara gwetera Ndizi TV News asensemo ya website na bagotanya gwitira www.ndizitv.or.ke. Maiga chikamera soko ene kibna ebicha na boigo eliogire gwikira solia senchira ya bene nere John Kebati. Twabere tukubwatanere Joshua Auta asensemo chibyorokerelyo na nchiria ne Fridah Kerubo ngo kuganilia oboligerelia obuya.